Top 5 Best Coffee Machines. Top 1. Jura 1509078 Espresso Coffee Machine. Chrome with black accents with TFT color display. 12 programmable specialties and 8 programmable levels of coffee strength. Top 2. Breville Espresso Cafe Roma Stainless Espresso Maker. Dual wall filter system for excellent crema, froth enhancer, cup warming plate. Top 3. Nespresso Pixie Original Espresso Machine by Breville, Titan. Powerful, Nespresso Pixie Espresso Maker has a 19-bar high-pressure pump that allows for a barista-style result, unlocking the delicate flavor of each coffee capsule. Top 4. Get 14101 Classic Semi-Automatic Espresso Maker. Rugged brushed stainless steel housing. Commercial 3-way solenoid valve. Top 5. DeLonghi ECP 3420 15 inches bar pump espresso and cappuccino machine. 5-bar professional pressure assures quality results every time. Input power 1100 watts.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.